Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so the process is reliable. Confirm an Azure subscription and an RBAC role that permits resource creation. Once done, install the SAE CLI or use Azure CLI, authenticate with AzLogin, and set the correct subscription. Next, stage your SAE Auto Goal files and latch credentials in a secure store so you can reference them programmatically. Make sure to use consistent naming and permissions. This prevents failures later and lets you run the first actionable commands immediately. You now configure the SAE Auto Goal and attach the Azure Latch. Begin by editing the SAE application manifest to include auto goal parameters and desired triggers. Then add the latch block. Supply client ID, client secret, and allowed scopes. Store secrets in Key Vault and reference them to avoid embedding secrets. Deploy to a test slot, monitor logs and emitted metrics, and iterate on thresholds. Doing this ensures the auto goal executes under controlled conditions and helps you tune behavior before production. You finish by promoting the validated deployment and enabling auto-scaling and retention policies so the SAE auto goal runs continuously. Once promoted, monitor key metrics like success rate, latency, resource utilization, and how the latch responds to requests. If things go wrong, first check Key Vault access and RBAC permissions, then verify client credentials and token expiry, and finally inspect the manifest syntax for mistakes. Restart the service after fixes. This sequence usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.